The chopper scene just got a serious upgrade. Meet the 2025 Honda Fury 1300, a bold reimagining of one of Honda's most iconic custom cruisers. Known for its long, lean silhouette and rebellious spirit, the Fury has returned with more power, refined engineering, and a modernized yet unmistakably aggressive look. Honda has taken everything riders loved about the Fury and turned the volume up, making the 1300 not just a bike, but a statement on two wheels. Design, custom from the factory. The design philosophy behind the 2025 Fury 1300 is simple: authentic chopper DNA with factory reliability. The stretched-out front fork, raked steering angle, and low-slung stance scream attitude. But this year, Honda has refined the proportions. The new frame uses high-tensile steel that's both lighter and more responsive, while the overall silhouette feels more muscular, with thicker lines and sculpted tank contours. The Fury's iconic teardrop fuel tank returns, now holding 4.6 gallons, seamlessly integrated into the long backbone frame. Matte and metallic paint options, deep chrome finishes, and blacked-out engine components give riders that custom shop look, straight off the showroom floor. Powertrain, meet the new 1300 Beast. At the core of the 2025 Fury is a brand new 1,300 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled Vtwin engine, replacing the old 1,312 cubic centimeters unit with a more refined and powerful setup. This new powerplant delivers smoother low-end torque and stronger mid-range punch, ideal for cruising boulevards or stretching out on the open highway. With a 6-speed transmission and slipper clutch, gear changes are smooth and predictable, while the updated fuel injection system ensures crisp throttle response in all riding conditions. And yes, that deep, throaty V-twin exhaust note is still there, more refined, yet full of growl and attitude. Chassis and ride quality, low and confident. The Fury rides on a stretched-out frame that emphasizes stability without sacrificing maneuverability. With a raked front fork set at 38 degrees and 4.0 inches of trail, the bike has a laid-back riding geometry perfect for highway cruising. Despite its stretched look, the Fury is surprisingly agile around corners and city traffic. The rear monoshock, adjustable for preload, absorbs road imperfections well, giving a plush ride. A wide, padded seat offers day-long comfort, and the low seat height of just under 27 inches ensures that riders of all sizes can easily plant their feet at stops. Braking and safety, smooth control at all speeds. The 2025 Honda Fury comes equipped with a large 336mm front disc and a 296mm rear disc, delivering dependable stopping power. For the first time, Honda has added optional ABS to the Fury, a welcome update that adds confidence in wet or unpredictable road conditions. Thanks to Honda's refined braking system, the bike doesn't just stop quickly, it stops smoothly. Whether you're easing into a stop at a light or hitting the brakes hard during an emergency maneuver, the response is balanced and reassuring. Technology and features, classic meets contemporary. While the Fury maintains its minimalist charm, Honda has introduced subtle tech upgrades to enhance the ride. A new digital-analog hybrid instrument cluster includes a digital speedometer, gear indicator, and fuel consumption display, while retaining the traditional analog tachometer. The lighting system is now fully LED, including a sleeker, brighter headlamp for better night visibility. USB-C charging has also been integrated under the seat, perfect for riders who need to stay connected or navigate with their smartphones on long trips. Customization and accessories, make it your own. As with any cruiser, the 2025 Honda Fury is built for personalization. Honda offers a wide range of factory accessories, from custom seats and sissy bars to saddlebags and windshields. Riders can also choose from different handlebar setups, foot peg positions, and exhaust upgrades to tailor the Fury to their style and ergonomics. Aftermarket support remains strong, and the simple frame layout allows DIY customizers to work with ease. Whether you want to go full chopper, add touring features, or just upgrade the exhaust for more growl, the Fury is your blank canvas. Price and competition, value meets attitude. The 2025 Honda Fury 1300 enters the market at a competitive base price of around $13,999, with ABS and additional trims raising the price slightly. Compared to rival cruisers like the Harley-Davidson Softail Standard or Yamaha Bolt R-Spec, the Fury holds its own with unique styling, Honda reliability, and a smoother ride feel. Where others rely heavily on heritage, the Fury banks on innovation wrapped in rebellious flair. For riders who want something different, something bold, the Fury is a perfect owl.